Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to change your opening and closing hour in FeedMe. So normally this setting need to change is because if you are running a bar and normally your closing is late than 12 AM. So you have to change it, your opening hour start from 3 or 4 AM. Thank you.
Okay, first go to your post device. Then go to setting, click on setting. In operation, there's a close sales time, click here. And let's say the bar is closed at 3, so I'll advise you to change it to 4 AM. After that, just click confirm. Then you synchronize to the cloud. Then go to your browser and go to your FeedMe portal. Go to restaurant and select your outlet. Then click on update profile. Update your operation hour also. After that, just click save. Then click on report. So for the daily sales means that if the date starts from 27 on April, which means that the report will start from 4 AM of 27 until 3 AM and 59 minutes on 28. Furthermore, you also can refer to the hourly sales for more details. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find out.
Aseng.
找post system, 找 Seng.